Psych 227, Study Session 11, Traits and Behaviorist Perspective of Deception. Introduction. This lecture focuses on the traits and behaviorist perspectives to deception. Learning outcomes. At the end of this study session, students should be able to understand the trait perspective to personality development, understand the trait perspective to the use of deception, understand the behaviorist perspective to personality development, and finally, understand the behaviorist perspective to the use of deception. Trait perspective. Traits are genetic characteristics or quality that distinguishes individuals or group of people from others. According to the Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of the American Psychiatric Association, personality traits are enduring patterns of perceiving, relating to and thinking about the environment and oneself that are exhibited in a wide range of social and personal contexts. Trait theorists generally posit that traits are relatively stable over time. Traits differ among individuals or groups, and traits influence behaviors. Traits are consistently used in order to help define people as a whole. They are relatively constant. They do not usually change. Traits are also bipolar. They vary along a continuum between one extreme and the other, such as friendly versus unfriendly. Traits are classified as either central, secondary, common, and cardinal traits. Central traits are basic to an individual's personality. Secondary traits are more peripheral. Common traits are those recognized within a culture and thus may vary from culture to culture. Cardinal traits are those by which an individual may be strongly recognized. Trait theorists might view deceptive people as having deceptive traits as part of their personality makeup. The extent at which such individuals are deceptive will inform whether deception is central, secondary, common, or cardinal to their personality. Behaviorist perspective. Behaviorism is different from most other approaches because they view people and animals as controlled by their environment, and specifically that we are the result of what we have learned from our environment. Behaviorism is concerned with how environmental factors, called stimuli, affect observable behavior, called the response. The behaviorist approach proposes two main processes whereby people learn from their environment, namely the classical conditioning and operant conditioning. Classical conditioning involves learning by association, and operant conditioning involves learning from the consequences of behavior. McLeod, 2007. B.F. Skinner put forward a three-term contingency model, which helped promote analysis of behavior based on the stimulus-response consequence model, in which the critical question is, under which circumstances or antecedent stimuli does the organism engage in a particular behavior or response, which in turn produces a particular consequence. Thus, according to the stimulus-response consequence model, the motivation for deception is the stimulus, the deception is the response, while the result is the consequence. For example, someone who wishes to be absent from work might lie about his health to his boss. The motivation or stimulus is the desire to be absent from work. The deception or response is the lie he told about his health, while the result or consequence is the sick leave he gets from work. Study session summary. Traits are genetic characteristics or quality that distinguishes individuals or group of people from others. According to the Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of the American Psychiatric Association, personality traits are enduring patterns of perceiving, relating to, and thinking about the environment and oneself that are exhibited in a wide range of social and personal contexts. Traits are classified as either central, secondary, common, and cardinal traits. Behaviorist perspective. Behaviorism is concerned with how environmental factors, called the stimuli, affect observable behavior, called the response. The behaviorist approach proposes two main processes whereby people learn from their environment, such as the classical conditioning and operant conditioning. End of study session 11. Thank you for listening.